Hey my delicate daydreamers, you've just stepped into your calm, quiet bubble where we glow slow, stay sweet, and always keep it cute. This little space is your reminder that you don't need money or a makeover to feel confident and put together. Today, I'm sharing all the soft girl secrets on how to look neat, aesthetic, and effortlessly that girl at school, and yes, we're doing it all with zero budget flying money, no expensive products, no new clothes, just simple things you can do that change your whole vibe. So let's start our video. Always tie or style your hair neatly, it instantly makes you look more put together. Ironing your clothes the night before saves time and helps you look fresh in the morning. Keeping your nails short and clean shows you care about the little details. Washing your face every morning gives you a fresh and clean appearance all day. A small amount of Vaseline on your lips can make you look naturally glowy and soft. Make it a habit to organize your school bag once a week so it stays neat and stress-free. Keep a tissue or handkerchief with you in case you need to clean your hands or face. Fold and store your uniform properly after school so it stays clean and ready to wear. Even on busy mornings, take a minute to brush or fix your hair, it changes your whole vibe. Tuck in your shirt or adjust your uniform before entering class to look sharp and tidy. If you can't wear perfume, place a scented tissue or soap bar inside your bag for a fresh scent. Walk with good posture and calm confidence, it makes even the simplest look stand out. Always carry a water bottle, staying hydrated keeps your skin fresh and healthy looking. Use a small pouch to keep your stationery or personal items organized inside your bag. Pack your bag the night before so your morning feels calm and unhurried. Choose simple hairstyles that stay in place all day and don't need touching up. Smile when you walk into the room, it adds warmth to your whole look. Wear your uniform properly, even if it's old, looking neat is more about care than clothes.